Welcome back. So I'll be doing another one of these videos where I'm reviewing job ads and just giving my thoughts on them. And just thought I'd quickly show you this before I dive into it. So this is something new I'm seeing on LinkedIn. Maybe it's been around a while, but I've only just noticed it. So it shows you some of these job ads are promoted. So yeah, that's quite interesting. Quite a few are promoted. So it's interesting. Alright, so anyway. Okay, so I'm going to have a look at this performance and data specialist. It's interesting because my current role is data specialist, and so these things just always interest me. Let's see, so it was posted 1 week ago, 62 applicants, so not too many. It's interesting, it says my profile matches a job, but I've only got 2 out of the 10 skills. So yeah, let's see. Okay, main responsibilities. The performance and data specialist supports the performance manager and acts as backup as needed. Backup to who? The manager? Okay, so a little bit of a red, it's a red flag, so let's see. Everything's a red flag with me, I guess. So with key focus on reporting and data warehouse maintenance. Okay, so there's no database administrator. And developments, the latter in close coordination with the IT manager. Okay. I Plus Solutions data warehouse is currently pulling from 3 ERPs, 2 operational and 1 financial. Okay, pulling a combination of master and reference data. Right. The warehouse is developed with Microsoft SQL Server. It's good that they're telling you your stack, and is running on an Azure server. Okay, so good obviously if you've got experience with those two. The specialist will need to be able to address various warehouse load issues, data gaps. Yeah, see, it sounds a lot like data engineering. But I am noticing this a little bit with like data specialist roles seem to be kind of a bit of data engineering thrown in. Data gaps or other related issues by identifying the root cause and working with the business and the IT team to address the issues. One of the key activities, so let's see if they're going to require lots. I mean, they did say reporting, but let's see how much actually more they want from this role. That already sounds like a full-time job. The specialist will be supporting the project team to ensure that our data warehouse can handle these changes and, where possible, required to improve the data structure based on business needs. Okay, that's already that's a full-time role. So let's see specific responsibilities. So let's see if they just unpack that, or if they're going to add new things on. Ensuring the quality of data used for performance management and analytics, with emphasis on ensuring the quality is shared with clients. Okay. Support maintenance and design validation deployments of new performance measures, including the development of dashboards. Okay. Managing the data structure and information model, and improvement activities, supporting the solutions as a data-driven organization by assisting teams with developing reports and analytic tools. Okay, so you're assisting. So are the data analysts that actually will be doing most of that work, or business analysts, supporting the analysis, compilation, and presentation of data for monthly, quarterly, and annual performance. Okay. Support and backup of performance manager. Okay, so this backup is interesting, but ensuring quality of solutions performance data, enabling complicated company name I Plus Solutions, internal and external reporting, design, operation, enhancement of performance measurement and analytics capabilities, overseeing the gathering and analysis of data, so overseeing the analysis. Okay, ensuring that performance is accurate, leading data-driven approach, ensuring that staff and managers have tools and skills needed, and skills. You'll also be training people, making sure they've got also the right software to use, and insights from data analytics in their program planning, decision making. So it's not very clear what else the team that you'll be working in, and I'm not really sure where your backup of this happens. So it sounds like they're putting in, there's a lot of other requirements here that maybe aren't being stated in this. Behavioral competencies, able to bridge the gap between data and IT, translate data topic in such a way that the business users understand. It's the second time I've seen this word, translate data. Drive results, enabling collaborative solution, understanding others. Qualifications, bachelor's degree, master's preferred, knowledgeable in data modeling, knowledgeable in SQL, proven analytical skills with strong knowledge of data models, strong eye for detail, data activities, timely manning, demonstrated ability of working with a team, English fluency, okay, advanced computing skills in standard software such as Power BI and Excel, okay, advanced SQL, knowledge of programming language such as Python or as desired. Okay, yeah, so it's a very broad role. I mean, it looks like they've got just managing the data on these 3 different systems that could always be changing is a full-time job. So I'm not really sure where they're going to find the time to also deal with analytics, also train other people, also set up, I did see somewhere in the beginning something about reports, and then from time to time provide backup to the performance manager. But again, I mean, the devil's always in the detail, but this is just kind of, I've not yet experienced where what the job description is covers everything. It covers maybe, I don't know, 30 to 50% of what you'll actually be doing. So even already a very long job description is quite interesting. What are little red flags is there's no mention of like a database analyst. So, I mean, yeah, a database, DBA, was it, as the mate database, I don't know. Yeah, it's late. It's been a long day. So anyway, the team here seems pretty thin for what they'll be doing, and they're trying to stretch this role quite a lot. Alright, so just some things to be aware of. But interesting work otherwise.